Clarke ALC3-6 Aluminium combination ladder is a light in weight and versatile 3-in-1 combination ladder that is ideal for both trade and DIY use. Easy to use, it can be configured as an extension ladder, an A-frame step ladder, and a step ladder with extension. The robust design helps to make the ALC3-6 rigid and wobble-free in all configurations. Certified to EN131, the wide stabilizer bar and 6 rung sections make this a truly versatile ladder. The ladder is very light at only 8.6 kilograms, making it easy to carry from job to job, and it can carry a maximum load of 150 kilograms. As a straight ladder, the ALC3-6 has a height of 3.4 meters, and as a step ladder, 1.6 meters to the top rung. In extended stepladder mode, the top of the extension is 2.5 meters off the ground. If you want a versatile ladder for a multitude of jobs around the house, you need the Clarke ALC3-6 Aluminium Combination Ladder.